सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। मनीषा पंचकम 4th verse. यातिर्यं नरदेवताभिरहमिति यातिर्यं नरदेवताभिरहमिति अन्तःस्फुटा गृह्यते यद्भासा हृदयाक्षदेहविषया भान्ति स्वतो चेतनाः तां भास्यै पिहितार्कमण्डलनिभाम् स्फूर्तिं सदा भावयन् योगी निर्वृतमानसो हि गुरुः। इत्येषा मनीषा महाम् इत्येषा मनीषा मम। In this small Prakarana Grantha Manisha Panchakam, Adi Shankaracharya revealing all the 4 Mahavakyas. First verse Prajnanam Brahma, second verse Aham Brahmasmi Mahavakya from Brihadaranyaka, Prajnanam Brahma from Aitareya Upanishad. That means each Veda he is taking. Aitareya from Rig Veda, Aham Brahmasmi from Brihadaranyaka, that is Yajurveda, and third Mahavakya Tattvamasi from Samaveda Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad. We completed those 3 Mahavakyas 1 year back. After long gap, now we have come to 4th Mahavakya. I introduced in the last class. Last class means 1 year back. Now 4th Mahavakya, you know, Ayamatma Brahma. Mandukyopanishad, which belongs to the 4th Veda, that is Atharvana Veda. So Atharvana Vediya Upanishad, Mandukyopanishad Mahavakya Ayamatma Brahma. This self is Brahman. Ayam means this, Atma, self, Brahma. It is Brahman, means I the self am Brahman. We saw this in Mandukya Upanishad. Ayam Atma Brahma, how he presents here in the form of self-awareness. I am, that self-awareness. Non, some Tamil we say non. So that I am is common, that self-awareness. I am means मैं हूँ, நான் இருக்கேன் அங்கிற ஒரு self-awareness. It is there in all human beings. In all human beings it is there. But it is not available in the wall, in the bench, in all the inert objects, fan, chair. There is no self-awareness in them. Chair cannot say, I am chair, Swamini is starting today's class, students are coming and sitting on me, the chair, after sanitizing. That self-awareness is not there in the chair. Therefore, in the world, that self-awareness is available in the human beings, even in other living beings also there, but not that much evidently as like in human beings. It is not available in other beings. Beings means other living beings. Dog cannot claim I am a dog. I got first prize. Dog cannot claim. A cat cannot claim my owner, who is take care of me. She is very good. That type of awareness is not there in the cat. So human life is much more significant with regard to self-awareness. That is why human birth is specially meant to recognize that this self-awareness, human being I am, Brahman, that knowledge I can get through this body, mind medium. I am Atma, this self, who is claiming that I am Atma, Brahma Eva, pure Sat Chit Ananda alone. Brahman Lakshanam is what? In Taittiriya Upanishad we saw Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Therefore that Satyam, short form is Sat. English translation is existence. Jnanam, short form is Chit. English translation is knowledge. Anantam, infinite. That infinite Brahman is Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. I am Atma, this is self. That means I am the Sat, I am the Chit, I am that infinite. I am that infinite Atma, Brahma. So, I am Atma, I the self-awareness Atman am none other than Brahman. Mahavakya. Jivatma, I the self am none other than Brahman, Paramatma. One and the same. That Mahavakya. So this Mahavakya we are seeing Ya Tiryang. Tiryang means all animals, reptiles, all beings. Tiryang. Nara, human beings. Devata, celestials. Devata Bihi, in all living beings. Aham iti, I am. These inert objects, wall, chair, desk, they cannot have self-awareness because they do not have mind. Mind is required to borrow the consciousness, Chidabhasa. Once Chidabhasa is formed in the mind, then that thought can come, I am thought can come. Since these inert objects doesn't have mind, they cannot borrow the Chaitanyam they cannot have reflected consciousness, therefore they cannot have that awareness. But Satta Chit is there in everything, because Satta Chit is all-pervading. So in every inert objects also Satta Chit, Brahman is there. But to be aware of that, mind is required. In that mind, reflected consciousness forms. That reflected consciousness, when it is formed, the thought, mind becomes alive, thought arises, then self-awareness can come. Aham iti antaha sphuta grishyate. Antaha, internally, in our own antahkaranam, mind. Grishyate, we grasp. All the living beings borrow sentiency from the Chaitanyam, because Brahma Chaitanyam is self-evident, it is sentient principle. So this mind borrows, antahkaranam borrows. Then what? Grishyate. Sphuta grishyate. Very clearly it is available. I am, I am, I am. That is why whenever we all use I am, I am, I am, there is no difference, you see. After I am, whatever we use, I am a girl, I am a boy, I am a woman, I am a man, I am a Vedantic student. After I am, whatever we add, it belongs to body, mind, complex. Therefore, antaha, antahkarane, sphuta, clearly, very clearly, grishyate can be grasped. What is can be grasped? I am that Brahman alone. Body, mind is only incidental. It is a means. It is an instrument to recognize. Why wall cannot recognize? Why chair cannot recognize? I, the human being alone, can recognize, discover that because of mind, self-awareness. If human birth is not utilized for this self-awareness, I am Brahman, you can be anything else, no, other than human birth. Correct or not? That is why ippiravi tappinal, powerful statement, ippiravi vaikumo. That is why intelligent people make use of this human birth. Understand? Intelligent people make use of this human birth, attending Manisha Panchakam. What for? To discover one's own Brahman nature. That is my real nature. The Guru Shastra helps us to recognize that, to discover that. That's why the Viveki discriminative, the people who are having Viveka like you, they choose to study Vedanta. What for? To claim Aham Brahma Asmi. Where there are no limitations at all, there is no birth and death at all, where there is no coronavirus also. Everything comes only to the body. But I am free from all. Tiryang nara devatadibhihi ahamiti. I am. Antaha, inside, sputa, grishyate. Next slide. Yad bhasa hridaya aksha deha vishaya bhanti. By whose presence? Yad bhasa. That is why Atma Chaitanyam, because of which everything is evident. In Mundakopanishad we saw, in 15th chapter Bhagavad Gita we saw, Yad Bhasa, because of whose illumination, Yad Bhasa, Hridaya, the Antakarana, mind, and Aksha, sense organs, Deha, gross body, and Vishayaha, the external world, objects, everything. Morning onwards, today till night, what we do? We know all the objects, people. This is there, that is there, this is here, that is there. Vishaya. All of them are evident. Bhanti. They are evident. Bhanti means they are shining, actual meaning. Shining means what? I am aware of them. It's a chair, tree, plant, house, fan. These are all bhanti because of what? Through the mind, through the body, through the sense organs, through the hridaya. Because of which consciousness? That consciousness illuminated hridayam, it reflects. That reflected consciousness formed in the mind is not a particular time it happens. There is no particular time. What time reflected consciousness rise in the mind? Suppose you ask. There is no particular time. Because as the mind is born, OC reflects, that's all. Because OC is always available. OC means OC, freely available all the time. The moment mind is born, RC formed, reflected consciousness is formed. The moment reflected consciousness is formed, mind becomes sentient, hridayam. Then that mind lends sentiency to the sense organs, and mind sense organs give sentiency to the body, physical body. And through the physical body, through sense organs, Antakaranam knows all the objects. You are able to see WhatsApp. A class is there. WhatsApp message has come. How physical body, Golakam, you have utilized. The sense organs function. How they are able to function? Because of mind. How mind is able to function? Because of OC, RC. How RC is formed? Because of OC. But all this happens in fraction of seconds. We do not know. All this happen. Only Vedanta students know all this process, not outside people. Clear? That is what. Yad bhasa, because of whose effulgence, yad bhasa, hridaya, aksha, deha, vishaya. Very clear, no? You can understand. Bhanti, swataha, achetana. Very important. These hridaya, aksha, deha, all these are by themselves achetana, inert. What a beautiful presentation you see. Manisha Panchakam is the excellent Prakarana Grantha because Mahavakyas swataha achetana. But we never remember this. Which body you are utilizing from morning to night? Which sense organs you are making use of? Okay? And which hridayam you are making use of? Swataha, inert, achetana. By themselves they are inert, jadam. How the jadam, shariram, indriya, antakaranam can have self-awareness? Because of this consciousness, they are able to borrow sentience. They become sentient. And they are able to see cricket match. India won the match. How we are able to enjoy anything because of consciousness. You can watch cricket match. You can watch, but you have to understand who is that behind this achetana shariram, achetana indriyas, achetana hridayam. Who is there? RC is there. Reflected consciousness is there. How it is formed? Because of me, the Chaitanyam Brahma. I lend sentience. But not knowing this, what we are thinking? This body is sentient by itself, mind is sentient, we are thinking. Not we, outside people, non-Vedantic students and non-Vedantic people, they do not know this. That is called ignorance. Once you come to Shastra, you understand the truth, the fact. My goodness, whole body. Even doctors do not know this. If they study MBBS, PhD, MD, all these things, until they come to Vedanta, even they cannot know this. Whatever degree, whatever qualification, they have to come to Vedanta to know that how this body is sentient. Now come to third line. Tam bhasyehi pihitarka mandala nibham. Here he gives an example. He gives an example, that is sun, the Surya. The Surya who is there covered by the clouds. Pihita means covered, veiled. We see every day. Very, very familiar examples he gives. Every day morning, daytime, we see clouds comes and cover the sun. And the sun is not so bright. Even you are able to see the cloud because of sun. If sun is not there behind the cloud, Rahu grasta divakare sadrisho maya samachhadanat. Dakshinamurti Stotram. The cloud we are able to see because of sun behind it. Understand? Similarly, even though this Atma is not recognized by us, this mind, sense organs, panchakoshas, as though covering, pihitaha. Arka mandala means Surya. Just as the clouds are veiling, covering the sun, similarly, panchakoshas are as though covering, veiling the Atma OC. Who is that OC? I am. My original nature. I am wife, I am husband, I am mother, I am grandmother is my ahankara, lower nature. You can play your role as mother, father, mother-in-law, grandmother. You can play the role at ahankara level, lower I level. But you have to remember my higher level, I is OC. Because of which OC's blessings, RC is formed, mind is functioning, through which mind I am relating with all Anatma Shariram. This Anatma Sharira mind relating with Anatma, other people in the family. So I can claim Mayeva Sakalam Jatam, Mai Sarvam Pratishthitam. I am the substratum of this universe. As OC, I am in everybody, in every body. I am not small, a housewife, limited knowledge. No, that is my lower I. My temporary role. That is only my temporary role, Anityam. But my original nature is all, not small, but all. Simple shift from small to all. You remove SM. You claim I am all as OC. I am small as RC, RM. Correct? So, to claim I am all OC, I need RC, RM. Understand? We need not drop the body. We need not forget the body. Really thank your body. Thank your mind. That's why every day we are taking care of this body. In spite of lockdown, coronavirus problem, how much you taken care of this body? I want, because this is a blessing given in this creation. Body is a blessing, mind is a blessing, sense organs are also blessing. Deho devalaya proktaha, jivo devas sanatanaha, त्यजेद अज्ञान निर्माल्यम सोहम भावेन पूजये अहम ब्रह्मास्मि दासोहम टू सोहम ताम भास्यैः पिहिता अर्क मंडल निभाम. Now this is example, just like that. Spurtim sada bhavayan. A Vedantic seeker, student, what he has to do, she has to do? Bhavayan, nididhyasanam. You have to do. Contemplate. Contemplation. Yes, I am OC, original consciousness. With incidental RC, RM. How many RM? 1, 2, 3. Sthula Shariram, RM1. Sukshma Shariram, RM2. All these you know, I know that. There are very, very basics. RM2 Sukshma Shariram, RM3 Karana Shariram. I am OC. So, Anatma RM1, RM2, RM3 plus RC and OC. Angushtamatra Purushaha. You have to remember 5-finger Vedanta. No. In 5 fingers, the whole Vedanta you can enjoy. Therefore, Spurtim means consciousness. That Chaitanyam, OC, Sada, all the time, Bhavayan means claim that I am OC alone. Original consciousness. Body comes and goes. Just like in ocean. Ocean is like Paramatma. Samudraha Paramatmavat. Wave, Tarangaha is like a Jivatma. Tarangavat Jivatma, Samudravat Paramatma. Both are what? Water. Understand? So, either individual Jivatma, Ishvara whom you are worshipping, the Paramatma, both of us are none other than Atma. Just as ocean is water, wave is water. Macro level ocean, micro level wave. What is the content, substance, essence of these two? Water. Taranga, wave, name is Mithya. Ocean, Samudraha, name is Mithya. Only Vacharambhanam. Water is, water was, water is, water ever will be. Taranga comes and goes, but water remains. Similarly, body, Taranga comes and goes, but I, the OC, remain all the time. If body is there, I manifest through the body. If it is not there, I remain as it is. That's all. That is called Vibhavayan or Bhavayan. That is the way you have to do Nididhyasanam. That's why Samadhi Abhyasa Rupa Nididhyasanam va or Brahma Abhyasa Rupa Nididhyasanam. Either you sit and contemplate. What is contemplation? Remembering Swamini first. Remembering Swamini's talks continuously. That is Nididhyasanam. In between, son also comes, as husband comes, daughter comes. May come, but keep them aside for some time. Samadhi Abhyasa Rupa Nididhyasanam Bhavayan. Spurtim Sada Bhavayan. Sada, all the time. When I am Brahman, always I am Brahman only. Really, because of which Brahman, OC, I am, this body is sentient, mind is sentient, sense organs sentient. Understand? And even I am blinking the eyes also because of RC. RC is because of OC. Who is OC? Now you want to claim temporary RCRM or you want to claim permanent OC? Permanent job, permanent house, permanent everything permanent. Why can't you claim this permanent OC as you are? What you are thinking, permanent job, permanent houses, my own house, they are all temporary. But what is original consciousness? Ever. If I am not in this body manifesting, another body I am manifesting. Yes or not? Yes or no? If this body goes, I am manifesting in another body. I am manifesting in another tree, manifesting in another animal. I am there all the time. Bodies are coming and going like tarangam. In me, the OC, which is like water OC. Correct? Fourth line. Yogi nirvritamanaso hi. Such a person, whoever studies Shastra, Bhagavad Gita, Upanishads thoroughly, whoever listen all YouTube classes, so many classes are there available to listen, and many other texts you have listened, your notes, your texts, so many are there. Whoever understand this Jivatma Paramatma Aikyam, yogi, such a jnani, nirvrita manasaha, whose mind is very, very calm, quiet. Nirvrita manasaha means whose mind is free from raga, dvesha, kama, krodha. Because of knowledge, because of study of Shastra, that yogi, jnani's mind is very clear. Because you have understood Sthita Prajna Lakshanas, you have understood Gunatita Lakshanas, you have understood Parabhakta Lakshanas. Where? Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 12th chapter, 14th chapter, all we have done. Done means done, long before. Such a jnani I am. Claim that. Never hesitate. Okay, you can claim boldly. Nirvrita manasaha. The one who has got that Jivatma, Paramatma, Aikya Jnana, because of his mind is quite calm and relaxed, therefore he is able to, or she is able to grasp the teaching. Such a wise person is my Guru. Iti esha manisha mama. I have a conviction, Shankaracharya says, I have a conviction that person is my Guru. He accepts you also as his Guru. Who? Adi Shankaracharya. If you have such a jnana. So this Chandalostu, Satvidvidostu, this Chandala also, he is asking, oh Shankaracharya, you are asking my body to go away or Atma to go away? He was asking, no? First 2 verses introduction. Do you remember? That Chandala asking, you are asking me the Atma to go away. Atma cannot go away. Atma is all pervading. Then Shankaracharya considered him, Chandala is not an ordinary person, he is a wise person, a jnani. Of course, Lord Shiva came in that form in front of him and he accepted him, Manisha Mama, this is my conviction. This wise person, Chandala, what is maybe Varna, Ashrama, doesn't matter, but he is a jnani. Na varna, na ashrama, na achara dharma. In that Atma, it is beyond varna, ashrama, dharma. Therefore, I consider this Chandala as my Guru. Whoever is having this knowledge, I consider them as my Guru. That is Shankaracharya's humility, you see. Knowledge. Parakasta. Next, last verse, we are going to see now. 5th verse. Repeat after me. Yat saukyam budhilesha leshata ime shakradayo nirvrutah yat chitte nidaramasya नितरां प्रशान्तकलने लब्ध्वा मुनिर्निर्वृतः यस्मिन् नित्यसुखाम्बुधौ गलितधीः सुखाम्बुधीः ब्रह्मैव न ब्रह्मवित् यः किञ्चित् स सुरेन्द्रवन्दितपदः नूनं मनीषा मम Final Phalasruti. 4 Mahavakyas over. If you listen to these 4 Mahavakyas, if you understand thoroughly, that means Bhagavad Gita, thorough understanding, Upanishads, thoroughly you understand this Mahavakya also. All these 4 Mahavakyas, when you grasp, what is the phalam? Ananda is the phalam. Sukha Ambodhi. Ambodhi means ocean. Ocean of Ananda. It's not droplet Ananda. Ambodhi means ocean. Amba means waters. Just as the ocean is full of water, similarly this Jnani who understand 4 Mahavakyas, understands the original happiness, original consciousness we were seeing previously. Now original happiness. Original happiness is my real nature. Original happiness is not part of anything, property of anything, product of anything. It pervades inside and outside. Original happiness. It enlivens, it gives reflected Ananda. Every bit of Ananda. Son Ananda, daughter Ananda, house Ananda, car Ananda, putra Ananda, putri Ananda, they are all Pratibimba Ananda. Lesha Leshataha, a portion. Lesha means a wee bit, a portion of Ananda you are enjoying. New dress Ananda. COVID shield vaccine, if you put, people are very happy now. Na potachi. Okay. People are thinking, na potachi. Everybody is happy by putting vaccination. What Ananda? Lesha Leshataha. All wee bit of Ananda. Lesha Leshataha. Where from this Ananda we are deriving? From original Ananda, Bimbananda. Because of Bimbananda, that's why Satyam Jnanam Anantam Anando Brahmeti Vyajanat Anandam Brahma Brahma Pucham Pratishtha. That Brahman is Ananda Swarupa. Swarupa Ananda. Original Ananda. Original Ananda can happen OA. Okay? Original happiness. OH. OH or OA. Original Ananda. Because of original Ananda only, all Anandas, bit Ananda is coming. But a non-Vedantic student cannot recognize that. For that, always I give one example, that dog biting the bone, getting lot of flesh and blood and enjoying. Aha, what a nice bone I have got today. I am enjoying. But where from the dog is getting flesh and blood? From its own jaws. It is crushing. Dry bone, what flesh, what blood can be there. But ignorant dog cannot know that. Similarly, our Ananda, our Rasagulla Ananda, Gulab Jam Ananda, house Ananda, car Ananda, they are all reflected Ananda alone. Reflection can form when there is original. In the mirror, the reflection can be formed when your original face is there. You can see reflected face. Without original face, can you see your reflected face in the mirror? So reflected face is when you see, that itself proves the existence of original face. Similarly, every Ananda, job Ananda, salary Ananda, okay, any Ananda what you are getting, that itself proves there is some original Ananda. In objects there is no Ananda. When mind is calm and quiet, when mind is sattvic, you enjoy that object. The original Ananda reflects through that object. If mind is not calm and quiet, the same object will not give happiness. Same. When the mind is calm and quiet, that Ananda reflects in the mind. That is what is said here. Yat Saukhyam Buddhi. That Ananda which is Lesha Leshataha, little we are enjoying. Ime Shakradayaha, even Brahma, Brihaspati, Adayaha means Brahma, Brihaspati, Indra, Varuna, Vayu, Agni, all devatas, Nirvritaha, they are all enjoying, they are happy, they are joyous because of this original Ananda. What to talk of human beings? Even devatas are also happy because of this original Ananda. Yat chitte nidaram prashanta kalane. See, that prashanta kalane means when the mind is calm and quiet. Prashant. Kalanam means what? Chalanam, disturbance. When the mind is prashanta kalanam, free from, when the disturbances are subdued, dissolved, by listening Shastra regularly, mind becomes calm and quiet. Prashanta kalani. Labdha munir nirvritaha. Munihi jnani. Muni means mananat munihi, who always thinks about Brahman nature, who always contemplates about Brahman nature. That is my nature. Nirvritaha, totally satisfied. Nirvritaha means totally satisfied. Even Indra, Varuna, Agni, Brihaspati, all the devatas are also totally satisfied because of which Ananda. Labdha, having attained. How? After studying 4 Mahavakyas. Just like that it won't come. Okay, just like it won't come. After long study, 20 years, nearly 98 has started classes here. Here 2005 I think has started, 2005 here. But in that place, Mailapur, another class, 1998. So this long study, how many years? 15 years in this place, 15 years over. 16th year going on, Samskrita Bharati itself. Now you are able to understand my words. I cannot speak in front of anyone. Only in front of you I can speak. Understand? Therefore, yat chitte nitara, all the time. Nitara means all the time. Prashanta kalane, when the mind is calm and quiet. In a disturbed mind, knowledge can never take place. That's why first you have to make your mind reasonably calm and quiet. Because of so many things, mind is so disturbed. In that mind, just like a water, when it is disturbed, you cannot see your face, reflection. when water is very steady, no ripples, you can see your face clearly. Just like that, when mind is purely sattvic, okay, mind is totally satisfied, happy with Vedanta, Guru, Shastra, I am so happy. Like that, when mind becomes, then Mahavakya start functioning. Otherwise it won't function. Mahavakya will be there, Guru is there, Shastra is there, class is there, fan is there, I am sitting. But my family matters, weed, vasan, all problems irundana, pavam Guru, it won't work. That is why he says Prashanta Kalane. Because of long practice, long listening, the student has got such a mindset. Prashanta Kalane Nitaram Labdha Munir Nirvrutaha. Satisfied total. Podum. I am very happy. I am satisfied. Yasmin Nitya Sukha Ambudhau. Yasmin, in which Ananda, this Jnani revels in his own Ananda Swarupam. Nitya Sukham Buddhi. This is not Anitya Ananda. Any Ananda is coming and going. Ayaram, Gayaram Ananda. Any Ananda. If you have doubt, go and check once again. Every Ananda you get from objects, people, relations. That is only Ayaram, Gayaram, Ananda. Arrival and departure, it has got. That's why intelligent people never struggle for that Ananda. So what? It comes and goes. For some time only, any Ananda. Why I have to struggle for that Ananda? I need not. Even if it goes also, I need not worry, because it is its nature. Why? It has come in time because of some condition, because of that sweet, that food, or that person, that relation. It has come in time because of some condition. That's why it's called conditional Ananda. Conditional Ananda. Because of so-and-so music, because of so-and-so dance, because of so-and-so program, because of so-and-so person, relation, love, this is conditional Ananda. It is a reflected Ananda. Where from it is coming? From me, the original Ananda alone. My own Ananda Swarupam, it is reflecting through the son, daughter, granddaughter. That's why Jnani never bother about that Anitya Kosha Ananda. Taitriyam, do you remember? Kosha Ananda, Anitya Ananda, Pratibimba Ananda. All these words must be familiar to you. I am Bimbananda, Nityananda. I am ever available. Nitya Sukha Ambudau. Galitam Dhihi. Galita Dhihi. Dhihi means Aham Buddhi. Galitam means fallen or merged. Galita Dhihi, whose intellect is merged, absorbed in that original Ananda. Not absorbing original Ananda, understanding I am Ananda Swarupam is called merging. Okay, don't think when I am going to merge Swamini, when I am going to dissolve into Ananda. Nothing happens. Only understanding I am pure Ananda Swarupam. That is the knowledge. Dhihi aham buddhi. Dhi means I thought. Completely. Nitara means completely. Prashanta kalanam. In his quiet mind or in her quiet mind. I have to say her quiet mind because all are women here. Quiet mind. Ananda Atma. Aham. I thought. Jnani is whose thought is enjoying, reveling in that Atma Ananda. Merged into Brahmananda. Galitam, fallen, merged. Nitya Sukha Ambudhau. In the eternal ocean of Ananda. Nitya means eternal. Sukha means Ananda. Ambudhau means ocean of Ananda. Why ocean of Ananda? That is, ocean is so vast, limitless. Similarly, our Ananda Swarupam is also limitless. Okay? Jnani claims, I am Brahmananda Swarupam. No difference between I and Brahmananda. I means which I? Lakshyartha or Vachyartha? Lakshyartha. Okay. So I claim I am Brahman. Since Brahman happens to be Ananda Swarupam, I am Ananda Swarupam only. In Mundakopanishad Vaisa, Tayoha vai Brahma Paramam Brahma Veda Brahmaiva Bhavati. That is the next sentence. Yasmin Nitya Sukha Ambudau Galitam Dhihi, whose mind, intellect is absorbed in that Ananda, Saha Jnani Brahma Eva. That person is Brahman only. What he is not? Not Brahmavit. He is not the knower of Brahman. Knower of Brahman means what? He is the knower. Brahman is an object of knowing. Then it becomes Dvaitam. That's why na Brahmavit. Mundakopanishad, Acharya remembers. Tayoha vai tad paramam Brahma Veda Brahmaiva Bhavat. The knower of Brahman is Brahman. Mundakopanishad. That Jnani, in the fourth line he says, Yaha Kaschit, who is none other than Brahman, Yaha Kaschit Saha, Surendra Vandita Padaha. That Jnani is deserved to be worshipped by, adored by Brahma, even Indra. Surendra means Indra. Indra Vandita Padaha. This Jnani, even he is a Chandala also. Indra can adore him. Indra can worship him. Then what to talk of I, the Shankaracharya? I also worship this Chandala. Chandala means here a Jnani here. We are taking Varna Ashrama, we should not see Jnanam. Once Jnanam comes, he is beyond all Varna Ashramas. Therefore, Acharya says, Vandita Padaha, Surendra Vandita Padaha. This Jnani is deserved to be worshipped by even Indra, who is the god of all Devatas. Surendra means what? Sura means Devatas. Indra means Indra. So Devatas, all for them, Indra is the master, the leader, Lord. Surendra means Indra. Vandita Padaha. He is deserved to be worshipped by Indra also. Noonam iti esha manisha mama. This is my conviction. Iti noonam manisha mama. This is my conviction. A Jnani is beyond Varna Ashrama Dharma. Even he can be worshipped by Indra also. That is the meaning of this line. Yaha Kaschit, whoever he may be, either Stri or Purusha, either Brahmana or Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, doesn't matter. If this knowledge is there, what knowledge? Again we have to come back. I am Panchakosha Vilakshanaha. Aham Shariratraya Vilakshanaha. I am free from 3 bodies, 5 koshas. Punya Papa Rahitaha. Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi Rahitaha Aham. Because Aham Atma very closely associated with this body-mind complex. Very closely. Anatma Panchakoshas. Atma, I am, very closely intimated. Pure RM cannot claim I am Brahman. Pure body, Jadam, cannot claim. Sense organs alone cannot claim. RC also cannot claim. OC also cannot claim. Alone OC cannot claim. Remember this point. That's why you need not sit in jhanam and forget body, forget mind. No. While working, Pashyan, Shrunvan, Sprishan, Jigran, Ashnan, Gachan, Swapan, Shwasan, Pralapan, Visrajan, Grindhan, Unmishan, Nimashan, Napi. That is called Jnana. Brahma Abhyasa Rupa Nididhyasa. Therefore, pure RM cannot, reflecting medium cannot claim I am Brahman. Sense organs alone cannot claim Brahman. Buddhi alone cannot claim Brahman because they are all Achetanam. RC Ahankara cannot claim Brahman alone, RC. OC also cannot claim Brahman. Now who can claim Brahman? Tell me. OC plus RC plus RM, 1, 2, 3 put together. All put together alone can claim Aham Brahma Asmi. Prajnanam Brahma. Aham Brahma Asmi. When Guru says Tattvamasi, yes Guru, I have no doubt. I am Brahman only. I cannot be other than Brahman. Jnaniku enna problem theriyumo? He cannot be other than Brahman. நான் பிரம்மன் தான், பிரம்மன் ஆகாமலே வேறு எப்படி இருக்க முடியும்? Ayamatma Brahma, fourth Mahavakya. So whoever is having the four Mahavakyas, Jivatma, Paramatma, Aikya, Aikyam only understanding. Jivatma eva Paramatma. Paramatma eva Jivatma. There is no real Aikyam also other than understanding. Okay. Aikyam, oneness we use means understanding I was Brahman, I am Brahman, I ever will be Brahman. There is no literal Aikyam. Literal Aikyam is not there. Removing the notion of difference, Paramatma, Aham Jivatma, this difference once I break, I understand I am one Atma only. Now who is sitting? Paramatma only sitting. In Aitareya Upanishad who is that? Paramatma only sitting and thinking I am Jivatma. Then Guru is telling, no, you are not Jivatma, you are Brahman. Now a Sishya has understood. I am very happy that you are all have understood you are Brahman. Okay? With the incidental body, mind complex. It has got its own issues. Okay? Covaxin போட்டுக்கணுமா, கோவிட் ஷீல்டு போட்டுக்கணும். யூ ஹாவ் டு மாஸ்க் போடணுமா போடணும். ஓகே, சானிடைசர் பண்ணணுமா பண்ணணும். மெயின்டைன் த டிஸ்டன்ஸ். ஆல் தீஸ் ஆர் அனாத்மா லெவல் பவுண்ட் டு பி தேர், பட் ஐ ஆம் Brahman. So with this five mixture only, anatma, atma mixture only can claim Brahman. Therefore with this Acharya complete this Manisha Panchakam, Noonam Manisha Mama. This is my conviction. The Jnani is beyond all the Varnashramas. Therefore this Chandala is also my Guru because of his knowledge. Whoever listen to Manisha Panchakam also understand this Mahavakyas. They are also Jnanis. They are all really adorable. That's why Jnani Gurus we worship, not the body mind. We worship their knowledge. They are an embodiment of Saraswati. That is our culture. Okay. With this, I conclude Manisha Panchakam. Very simple, small Prakarana Grantha and excellent Prakarana Grantha. I am very happy that you have all come all the way and completed this Manisha Panchakam. I am also very happy. Okay, now and the lesha we can take it as a reflection. Okay, every reflected Ananda is very little. That's why reflection, reflected Ananda. That is the meaning. I hope I have given. That important word is Brahmaiva na Brahmavi. He is or she is Brahman only. We should not say I am the knower of Brahman. Never say. What do we have to say? I am Brahman. You need not say to anyone. You have to say to yourself, I am Brahman alone. I am not the knower of Brahman. If I am the knower of Brahman means Brahman becomes an object. I am the subject. Therefore, I am not the knower of Brahman. What I have to say now finally? I am Brahman only. Okay. Hari. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.